Welcome back to Auto Verdict. Today, I'll be discussing a car that has captured the attention of many, the Tesla. Known for its innovative technology and eco-friendly approach, Tesla has become a popular choice for drivers looking to make a change. In this video, I'll explore the advantages of owning a Tesla while also considering some important factors to think about. If you enjoy detailed car insights and want to stay updated on future reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's take a closer look at whether buying a Tesla is a worthwhile investment for you. Before we dive into the pros and cons, it's important to understand what sets Tesla apart in the electric vehicle market. Tesla has redefined what it means to drive an electric car, combining cutting-edge technology with impressive performance. From their sleek designs to their advanced autopilot features, Tesla vehicles offer a unique driving experience. Additionally, Tesla's commitment to sustainability and innovation positions it as a leader in the shift toward greener transportation. With that in mind, let's break down the key advantages of owning a Tesla, along with some considerations to keep in mind. The pros and cons. Cutting-edge autopilot and full self-driving. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) technology are among the most advanced driver assistance systems available. Autopilot enhances highway driving by automatically controlling steering, acceleration, and braking, which reduces driver fatigue. With FSD, you gain additional features like navigate on autopilot and traffic light recognition. While it isn't fully autonomous yet, regular software updates continually improve its capabilities, making driving safer and more convenient. Best charging network. Tesla's exclusive supercharger network is the largest and most reliable fast-charging network worldwide. This advantage allows Tesla drivers to easily find high-power charging stations on long road trips, often adding 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. With ongoing expansions, long-distance travel is becoming increasingly seamless for Tesla owners. Blazing fast acceleration and performance. Tesla vehicles offer instant torque and rapid acceleration, providing an exhilarating driving experience. The base Model 3 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, while the Model S Plaid reaches 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. This level of performance is typically found in high-end sports cars, making Tesla a fun option for enthusiasts without the noise and vibrations of traditional engines. Over-the-air software updates. Unlike most cars that depreciate, Teslas get better over time through regular over-the-air (OTA) software updates. These updates introduce new features, performance improvements, and bug fixes without needing dealership visits. Tesla has enhanced autopilot functionality, introduced new entertainment options, and even boosted acceleration capabilities, all through software alone. Minimal maintenance. Tesla's electric drivetrain has fewer moving parts than gas-powered vehicles, which means less wear and tear. Owners can save significantly on maintenance costs, as they don't need oil changes or frequent engine repairs. The regenerative braking system also extends brake life, resulting in some owners going over 100,000 miles without replacing brake pads. Lower cost per mile. Charging a Tesla is generally cheaper than refueling a gasoline car, with electricity costs often being 70% lower. As fuel prices continue to rise, owning a Tesla becomes a more financially sensible choice. Tesla's energy-efficient technology further enhances savings on fuel over the vehicle's lifetime. High resale value. Teslas tend to maintain their resale value better than many other electric vehicles. High demand keeps prices stable, allowing owners to sell used models for a premium. Furthermore, continuous software updates keep older models relevant longer compared to traditional vehicles that may quickly become outdated. Sleek, futuristic interior with a massive touchscreen. The minimalist interior design of Tesla vehicles features a large touchscreen display that replaces conventional buttons and knobs. While some may take time to adjust, many appreciate the high-tech feel and ease of use. Regular software updates enhance the touchscreen experience, keeping it user-friendly and intuitive. Eco-friendly choice. Tesla is a leader in sustainable transportation, producing only electric vehicles with zero tailpipe emissions. This contributes to cleaner air and reduced reliance on fossil fuels. Tesla also focuses on using sustainable materials in manufacturing, which enhances its eco-friendly reputation. Fun and unique features. Tesla vehicles offer exclusive features that enhance ownership enjoyment. From Sentry mode for security to in-car streaming options like Netflix and games, Tesla provides entertainment options that set it apart from other automakers. Even small features, such as customizable horn sounds and hidden Easter eggs, contribute to the fun of owning a Tesla. Now for the cons. Tesla has set the standard for electric vehicles, offering cutting-edge technology, incredible performance, and an unmatched driving experience. But like any car, there are a few things to be aware of that work a little differently from what you might be used to. Let's go over them so you know exactly what to expect. Upfront costs can be high. Tesla vehicles generally have a higher initial price compared to some gas-powered cars, especially if you're looking at models with longer range and premium features. However, the long-term savings on fuel, maintenance, and potential tax incentives can make up for this cost over time. Many owners find that lower running expenses help justify the investment in the long run. Build quality has been improving over the years. Some Tesla owners have noticed minor fit and finish issues, like panel gaps or paint inconsistencies, especially in earlier models. However, Tesla has been steadily improving its manufacturing quality, and most of these issues are cosmetic rather than functional. While it may not match traditional luxury brands in material feel, the driving experience and technology often make up for it. Service wait times can be longer in some areas. Since Tesla is still expanding its service network, getting repairs or maintenance done might take longer than with traditional automakers, especially if you live far from a Tesla service center. That said, Tesla's mobile service can fix many common issues right at your home, reducing the need for service center visits. Plus, the company is continuously expanding its service capabilities to keep up with demand. Full self-driving is still developing. While Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) technology is cutting-edge, it still requires driver supervision and isn't fully autonomous yet. This limitation might be a drawback for those seeking complete hands-free driving. However, Tesla's commitment to regular updates means that FSD capabilities are continually improving, making it one of the most advanced systems available. Charging takes longer than refueling. Charging an electric vehicle can take longer than refueling a gasoline car, which may be seen as a drawback for those used to quick fill-ups. However, many Tesla owners find that charging at home simplifies their routines and eliminates trips to gas stations. With superchargers, long-distance travel is made more convenient, often allowing drivers to recharge in under an hour while taking breaks. Minimalist interior takes time to get used to. Tesla's minimalist design and reliance on a large touchscreen can be a shift for drivers used to traditional dashboards filled with buttons. Some may take time to adjust to the new interface. However, many appreciate the clean and modern look, and as they become familiar with the controls, they find the touchscreen to be intuitive and responsive. Cold weather affects range. Like all electric vehicles, Teslas can experience reduced range in extremely cold conditions, which may concern those living in colder climates. However, Tesla has incorporated features like battery preconditioning and advanced thermal management systems to mitigate the effects of cold weather. These technologies help maintain range and efficiency during winter, ensuring a reliable driving experience. Battery degradation happens over time. As with any lithium-ion battery, Tesla batteries experience some degradation over time, leading to a gradual loss of range. This concern may be significant for buyers wanting long-term performance. Nonetheless, Tesla's battery management system is designed to minimize degradation, with many owners reporting that their batteries retain 80 to 90% of their capacity after 8+ years, ensuring long-term usability. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Tesla does not currently support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which may disappoint users who rely on these platforms for smartphone integration. Instead, Tesla features its own infotainment system that offers navigation, streaming services, and gaming options. Many find this system to be highly functional and appreciate the unique features that set it apart from other vehicles. Insurance costs can be higher. Insurance costs for Tesla vehicles can be higher than those for some traditional cars due to specialized repairs and high-tech components. While this could be a concern for potential buyers, it's essential to compare rates from multiple providers, as they can vary significantly. Tesla also offers its own insurance program in select states, designed specifically for Tesla owners, often providing competitive rates that help alleviate insurance concerns. The final thoughts. Tesla stands out with its cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and industry-leading charging network. It offers a unique EV experience with features like autopilot, over-the-air updates, and low running costs. However, it's not without flaws. Build quality can be inconsistent, service wait times may be long, and features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are missing. While full self-driving is improving, it's still not fully autonomous. If you value innovation and a strong EV ecosystem, a Tesla is a great choice. But if traditional luxury, consistent build quality, or quick service are top priorities, you may want to explore other options. That wraps up this look at whether a Tesla is worth it in 2025. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more car comparisons and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.